Welcome to the channel, guys, and we're at
Scarborough. We're specifically, I can't even say that word, just outside Peasholm Park and Scarborough More.
So what do we normally come here for?
We normally come here for the big concert hall over there. That's what we normally come here
And which
for.
is called?
Scarborough More Theatre.
Well, the train's coming in.
Air Scarborough Open Air. So we're seated and ready to go on a train drive journey. Are you excited?
Clearly not as much as you.
Are you excited, Zoe? Yes, you are. She's nodding her head.
Selfie.
So are we off soon, Kaz?
We're off to London, and due to the really expensive train prices, guess who's driving all the way down there?
And what are we going to do in London?
We're going to see our granddaughter who's dancing in the West End.
And what else are we going to do when we're down there?
I've booked tickets for the Natural History Museum on Monday as well.
Ooh.
And then we're going to experience all the nightlife, because we'll get down there for hopefully around 3-4 o'clock, checking at the hotel, and then go and try and find somewhere to eat.
It's 3 hours to get to South Island.
So we're on the move.
And then we're off to Christchurch.
Oh well, hopefully not in earthquake season.
I don't think earthquakes have seasons.
No, they don't. No.
They just occur.
They just occur.
There you go, it's a station.
I know, I just remember Christchurch gets quite a few of them. And then that big building there is where you get all your drinks and your sweets and everything from.
So guys, we just have a tunnel. That upset me filming, didn't it?
It did.
Beer! We got beer!
I know, we needed to rob one of them.
I don't know where this goes exactly.
I'm not sure, but apparently you can get off. Because she said, oh, return. And I was like, oh, yeah.
It's quite a nice steady ride, isn't it, really?
It is, yeah.
Although I could imagine if you were on this too long, you'd get bummy.
Yes,
Quite
there's no cushions on the seats.
Yeah, hard plastic seats, aren't they?
Wood, aren't they? Are they wood? Wood.
Yeah, they would, yeah.
They're wood.
Okay, you stand correct. Hard wooden seats. Now they used to have cable cars many moons ago.
Many.
And guess what? I can see the sea.
We can see from here.
I can see the sea. Well, welcome to glorious Barbados, guys.
Yeah. Oh look, you got kayakers.
Just doing some filming,
But it's also known for surfing as well, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Oh, Silver Stream Caravan. Just down there.
Oh, a little crazy
golf.
Picnic tables in between. You give a wave. Lots of people waving.
Sunny Scarborough.
And still more crazy golf. That's a big crazy golf.
So he's waving down there.
Yeah.
Seal sanctuary, isn't it?
Yeah.
So where's it go? Kaz?
I'm sure it goes to the seal sanctuary. You know, where they look after all the seals when they come here, because there's a load of seals off Flamborough, isn't there?
Yes. Yes.
And I'm pretty sure, I don't know if it's Sea Life Centre or it's a seal sanctuary. I think it's the Sea Life Centre.
Oh, we're slowing down anyway.
But you've got harnesses on, so you can't fall.
You see this massive wheel that's sitting up here? That's what I meant.
So what we're going to do?
Yeah, it was about 23.60.
So guys, you purchase some tickets from the ticket office in this little shop, and it's roughly $5.99 for adults and $5.49 for children.
Yeah.
So we are now going into Peasholm Park.
Here we go. Welcome to Peasholm. Oh, look at all the ducks. The dog's looking going, dinner.
Them boats look cool,
Dinner.
don't they?
That is looking very,
That looks very good.
very good.
We're having a go on those, are we?
We are.
Can you take a picture of me and Zoe near the water?
Yeah, of course I
Zoe,
can.
come here for a photo. So what we got, guys? We got a lakeside
Yeah,
walk,
yeah. Daddy's got a
tree
pedal as
trail,
well.
a
Yeah.
mini golf, Peasholm Island, Putting Green, Peasholm Island, and North Bay Beach. Look at that. Right, so we've come to Peasholm Park there.
We have. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Isn't it a beautiful day? Nice cloud in the sky.
And it's free to get in as well,
It is.
which is even better. So a great place to bring your family,
It
bring
is.
your kids, bring your grannies and granddads.
I'm not a granny, by the way. I'm a nan. Nan.
And I'm grandad.
Yes. I don't do granny.
And it's a Scorchio day as well. El Scorchio.
El Scorchio in Scarborough. Now, looking at this, you'd think we were abroad.
Yes, it's
Not yet, but we will be.
it's spot on, isn't it?
It
so
is.
with school summer holidays fast approaching, this is a perfect place if you're staying in the Scarborough, Bridlington, Filey, Whitby area to come and visit. It's a unexpensive day out, and if you bring your own picnic and everything,
It's
be even cheaper.
even cheaper.
So we're going to see if we can go on these boats here and see how much that costs. There's geese everywhere.
Those steps?
Yeah.
Or was that a big wall?
No, they're steps.
They are steps.
Yeah, I've climbed it before.
There's a cafe here.
Although I need to hold someone's hand.
I was going to say, no, I'm not brilliant with steps. Well, there's lots of baby seagulls about. I know, that's what I just said.
Something over there.
Well, do you want to do the boats first?
Them steps, aren't No, they're just up to them trees.
So guys, there are toilets just up there as well. So there was a waterfall over that way. So we're off on the boating
You got the
lake,
cheapest out of all the
and
options.
it's £12 for 4 persons per boat. And there's the other prices there. So we're off on the boat entrance. So we're off on the boats, cars. What do you think? We're out at sea.
I know.
Well, we're on a
I
lake,
didn't
isn't it?
realise there was holes in the boat.
I know, and I'm flooding this side.
And I got a wet bum because there was water on the seat.
You got a wet bum?
I've got a wet bum.
Oh, look at that. Come on, guys, faster.
Which Friday?
You get half an hour
You get half an
for
hour.
£12. Look at that. There we go. We're all out. We're all out at sea here.
Too much, Zoe. That's it.
Well, are you enjoying it being chauffeur driven?
Oh yeah, I'm not minding this in the slightest. I'm not steering and I'm not pedalling. There you go.
We're just sitting here recording, we're vlogging,
You are.
enjoying the sights.
This is just perfect, isn't it? And there's Bood steering and pedalling. Bood is steering and pedalling. Don't worry, Boodles, you're okay. You don't need to lean that way, don't worry. Because we've only got the back of your head anyway, so it's okay.
It's a good leg workout.
Dave's just chilling.
I'm the captain.
Your leg's aching yet?
Yeah.
I'm the captain.
No, not Daddy's captain. He's steering.
That's his own.
What's the second?
The captain doesn't stay, it's the helmsman.
What's the second?
Just saying.
I've got a brolly. Do you want a brolly so you can have some shade? Because you can put a brolly up and it'll give you shade if you get too hot.
Right, we stopped off at some food. So, Kaz, give us a rundown what we've had and how much.
Right, so we've had a children's sausage, chips and beans. Jordan decided he was going to have some chips and gravy. I decided I was going to have a cheese and onion panini. You decided you're having a cheeseburger, chips and gravy.
Oh, yes.
I've had Americano and you've had
A Madry. So, cheers,
and that
everybody.
came to £35.70.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nanny will take that off just for a minute.
Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, too as well, do
So, you're after?
ice cream. What else would you have in beautiful weather like this? Ice cream.
So, guys, we've gone for ice creams. I've had a peach Melba and 3 ice creams, £13.50. Right guys, we've had a fantastic day
We have.
here in Scarborough, Peasholm Park,
Yep.
and the open air theatre.
Spent a fortune.
Spent a fortune and the train coming, but there we go.
It
There's the train. So as ever guys, please
There we go, coming round.
Please subscribe.
It's
Yeah,
free.
should we go around that way?
We shall. It is free. Okay, so if you're watching on your mobile, please hype us. That would be fabulous. If you're watching on the telly, I'm going to go this side because every time I watch it, I'm pointing to the wrong side. So bottom right hand side of your screen, there's a thumbs up, a thumbs down, a comment. And obviously our little symbol in the left hand corner. Click on that and subscribe. It's free. So please don't keep tuning in. Please don't hesitate to make a comment and please continuing to like the channel. Let us know what would you like to see next.
So see you on the next video. Try a bit.
Ciao.